Hey guys, we're back in another vlog. Oh, we're at the domain
Yeah,
now.
we're at the domain. Hold on, wait, we gotta wait.
Vlogging.
And we're trying to find a
scooter.
A rental scooter. It's called a Bird.
Yeah, called the Bird. We're really excited to go get it. I want to go first because we're really excited.
Oh,
Okay, so my place, I live in the domain, and so my place is usually one of those buildings up there.
Yeah.
So when we like turn right here, there's be like windows, and we'll be right there.
On the app, we're kind of tracking the scooters, and there's like
Those
three.
are scooters right here.
Yeah, those are the. Grab the vlog camera.
Here, you just have the backpack. Oh, it's dead. Yeah.
Just died?
Yeah.
Oh.